Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've come up with a new recipe, potato cheese pops. Heat some oil in a pan, add some grated carrot, chopped capsicum and stir for some time. Now add some salt, boiled potatoes and mix it and mash it properly. Now add some chili flakes, garlic powder and some mixed herbs and mix well. Now add some breadcrumbs, mix properly so that you get that stiffness. Add some grated cheese or mozzarella cheese. Mix properly. Make the balls out of it and make a slurry of corn flour and maida with water. Keep breadcrumbs ready. Now dip the balls in the slurry. Coat it with the breadcrumbs properly from all the sides and fry it in hot oil till it gets golden brown on medium to sim flame. And your potato cheese pops are ready. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.